Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to duplicate Light of Blessing in Tears of the Kingdom. First, head to the Skyview Tower in the Mount Lanayru region. This method requires one Light of Blessing in your inventory to begin the duplication process. You will also need 26 or more other items, like apples or wood, to trigger the glitch effectively. This setup is crucial for successful duplication. Once you are at the Mount Lanayru Skyview Tower, open your inventory to the Materials tab. Place the Light of Blessing you wish to duplicate in the first slot of any row. Then, fill every other slot on that entire row with different, common items, such as single apples or Hylian mushrooms. This specific arrangement of items on one inventory row is vital for triggering the duplication glitch reliably. With your inventory prepared, stand on the Mount Lanayru Skyview Tower launch platform. Hold a stack of 25 items like apples from your inventory and then drop them onto the platform. Crucially, as soon as you press the button to drop the items, immediately activate the tower's launch sequence by interacting with the central console. The timing here needs to be precise, within 1 second, for the glitch to work correctly. If you need to end the split screen session, it's quite simple. The easiest way is for one player to disconnect their controller or leave the game. The session will automatically revert to a single-player display. Alternatively, the primary player can simply return to the main lobby, which will prompt the second player to leave. Restarting the entire Fortnite application will also reset the display to single-player mode. This ensures a smooth transition to solo play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.